Hello, David here, and the project for today is using one of my old security cameras as a target spotter. I've got this old QC surveillance camera that I'm not using, and I hooked it up with some of my spare cable, and I'm running it to where this other camera was hooked in over here. So it is a wired connection, and when we're done shooting the BB gun, I'm going to hook this camera back up. So let's go in the house and check out the monitor and see how close to the target we are. So here's how it shows up on the monitor. And I got a little sniper position over here by the window. I put a new target on. I'll shoot at the bull on the upper left. I switched targets again. I think that black bull is easier to see. This setup would not work at the range because you can't take the DVR and the monitor with you, but I'm sure there are options where you could get a Bluetooth camera to connect with your smartphone. So here we are at the target. My first shot was here. The red dot was not zeroed, so I re-zeroed the red dot. I had to give it about 8 clicks down. So it's a camo rifle. It's pretty accurate. .177 caliber. And I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.